For internal financing of 5-year plans, the government depends on answer A. Taxation only. The 5-year plans of India intend to develop the country industrially through answer D. The public, private, joint and cooperative sectors. In which sector the public sector is the most dominant in India? Answer B. Commercial banking. India had a plan holiday. Answer C. After the drought of 1966. In India, the concepts of minimum needs and direction anti-poverty programs were the innovations of answer B. Fifth 5-year plan. The leading steel plants at Durgapur, Bhilai and Rourkela of India were established during the period of answer B. Second 5-year plan. Which one of the following is the driving force influencing the industrial growth of an economy? Answer D. All of the above. The Nehru Mahalanobis strategy of development guided the planning practice in India from the answer C. Second 5-year plan to the 7th 5-year plan. What is the correct sequence of the following strategies used for 5-year plans in India? Answer C. Second, third and first. Which one of the following is an indicator of the financial health of a country? Answer D. All. First, second and third. Multiplier process in economics theory is conventionally taken to mean answer D. Income of an economy grows on account of an initial investment. Which of the following concepts are most closely associated with J.M. Keynes? Answer C. Marginal efficiency of capital. Evaluating all the options to find out most suitable solution to business problems is interdisciplinary activities. It is called answer B. Operational research. In a laissez-faire economy, answer C. The government does not interfere in the free functioning of demand and supply forces in the market. In economics, production means answer B. Creating utility. With which form of economy is the term laissez-faire associated? Answer D. Capitalist economy. Who among the following is not a classical economics? Answer A. John Maynard Keynes. In economics, the utility and usefulness have answer B. Different meaning. Economics is what it ought to be. This statement refers to answer D. Normative economics. The problem of economics arises from answer C. More wants and less goods. In public budgets, zero-based budgeting was first introduced in answer B. USA. Malthusian theory of population explored the relationship between answer D. Food supply and population growth. In an economy, the sectors are classified into public and private on the basis of answer B. Ownership of enterprises. Human Development Index was developed by answer D. Mehboob Haq. Wage fund theory was propounded by answer B. J.S. Mill. Which one of the following is not a dimension of Human Development Index? Answer A. Social status. The new economics policy was introduced by answer A. Lenin. The system of Memorandum of Understanding MOU was introduced in answer B 1987 to 1988. An economics theory is an answer C proposition. Externality theory is a basis theory of the following branch of economics. Answer A environnomics. Functional finance is associated with answer D Abba P. Lerner. In public budgets, zero-based budgeting was first introduced in answer B USA